wrap presents are for Mama.
Yeah, all right.
The outside presents are for Snape.
You know what that is?
Yes, it's a Nerf gun.
It's a Nerf gun mask.
Yeah. Okay, now I open this.
Did you see the size of that Nerf gun, Colin?
Yes, it's very huge. Let me see. Mama, is this present? For Dad or me?
There's Uncle Bee's.
Oh.
Oh, awesome. Very good. Get your picture.
Not open this.
I got it, bud.
We're gonna open the wrap-up presents first, and then is this a smartwatch?
What?
Show it to me.
I know this is sister.
Let me see it.
location.
Very good.
Let me open this one. It's nobody's. Yes, 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 yes.
What is that?
LOL surprises. We'll open them up. We'll open
Alright, I'll open them up. What did you get? Virtual reality! I don't know what it is.
And it'll work on your phone too,
God,
bud.
what is it? Oh!
What's this?
What?
What? What is it?
Star Wars! No more of yours.
You've got tons and tons
Wow, hold it up, let me see. Oh my gosh, Colin.
What is it?
That is crazy.
What?
It's a smartwatch, a Star Wars smartwatch.
What?
Wow.
Is this one mine or
Let me see.
it is.
I don't know, Mama, is that his?
Yeah, it's it.
Let me see, Lenny, what you got?
I got coloring books.
Let me see.
There's more in there.
Very good.
Wait, there's more in there? Good. Thank you. Where are they open? I can already see it's Roblox. Oh.
Oh, that's a big one too.
Ow.
Let me see.
I have one of these before, Vanilla. Please.
Very good. Y'all went right through those, didn't you?
Is this one?
Because you already knew it's a big
Hey,
surprise.
Mom, is this one mine? Alright. Mine. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna open up the
See what this is?
what? I thought this was Tomlin's.
No, it's yours.
Turn it on, Mom. Turn it on.
Where do you do that?
Bottom. No, underneath. You got your robe.
So sorry.
Press it. The red button.
Who
More.
gave this to me? Who gave this to me?
Me and Dad.
Thank you, Daddy and Mom.
You're welcome. Love you, Bob.
Love you.
Yeah, it lights up.
Wheels and everything light up.
I want to open my